Okay, so when we talk about the sum of the exterior angles, we know from the little exercise that we did that all exterior angles add up to 360 degrees. And that's for any polygon. So not each angle on the exterior is 360, but if you add them all up, they add up to 360. So sometimes you're going to see questions just as simple as this one. It's going to say, what is the sum of the exterior angles and of a heptagon? And in this case, for any polygon, it's just 360 degrees. Okay, so this kind of question requires no work, but you have to make sure you know the difference between if it's the sum of the interior or the sum of the exterior. If it's the sum of the exterior, it is just 360, nothing else to it. Okay, so for example 2, let's move this out of the way. It says solve for x. And so we have a bunch of different expressions given for angles. And as we can tell, all of these angles are exterior angles. So then we have a pentagon with 5 exterior angles, and we know all exterior angles have to add up to 360. So we're going to add up all 5 of these expressions and set them equal to 360. So we can have 5x plus 4 plus 4x plus 9 plus 9x minus 6 plus 4x plus 1 plus 7x plus 4. Cram it in here. And all of those added all up will add up to 360 degrees because all exterior angles add up to 360. So when we do this, I know it looks like a lot, but you're just going to combine like terms. So add all the x values together. You end up with 29x, and then add up all the, that one, this one. Add up all the code, the numbers, the terms, and we just end up with 12. That adds up to 360. And now this is a two-step equation. Just subtract 12 from both sides and then divide by 29. And x is equal to 12. So if I plug in 12 for x, I can figure out each one of these angles if need be. Alright, so now we're going to go on to finding an exterior angle. So and means I don't want all of them together, I just want one. So the question is referencing you to go find just one exterior angle of a regular polygon. And so I just want to make sure we're clear that in all regular polygons, all the sides are congruent, all the angles are congruent, and that's what regular means. And so there's a reason why they're telling you that it's a regular polygon. And so if you just want to find one exterior angle of a regular polygon, you can just do 360 degrees, which is the sum of the exterior, and divide it by the number of sides, because the number of sides is how many angles it has. So, and because all the sides and angles are going to be the same, if I take the 360 and divide it by how many there are, I'll get what each one is. So, in example 1, it says, what is the measure of each exterior angle of a regular hexagon? So let me show you what we're really looking for. So in this, if we have a hexagon and we have our exterior angles, so if I just keep going, and you know a hexagon has 6 sides, so we're going to have 6 exterior angles. All right, and we just want to know one of them. What does one of them have to equal? So we know they all together have to be 360, and then we know there's 6 of them. So divide by 6, that means 60 degrees. So that means this angle here is 60 degrees, along with all the rest of them. Because we know they all have to be same, because it is a regular polygon. So that's what that question is asking for. So you just take 360 divided by the number of sides. Example 2, it says find the measure of an exterior angle of the polygon picture. An exterior angle. So we want one of the angles on the outside. So again, this is pretty similar to what we were just doing. If I was to go out, what I'm really looking for is one of those. What is that? So first of all, we just got to figure out how many sides we have, and this is a 9-sided figure. So So there means there's 9 angles, interior angles, and there's 9 exterior angles. So we're just going to do 360, because all of them have to add to 360, divide by 9. And so we know that each angle on the exterior is 40 degrees. So that angle there will be 40 degrees. Okay. And then in example 3, it says 2 adjacent figures are a regular pentagon and a regular hexagon. Find the measure of angle ABC. So we know we have our pentagon, which has 5 sides. And we know we have our hexagon, which has 6 sides. We also know that we're looking for the measure of angle ABC. So we're trying to find this angle space right here. Now, from what you can see, this is exterior to the polygons. Okay, and it really is an exterior angle of the pentagon and the exterior angle of the hexagon added together. So we actually go through and figure out what the exterior angle is of the pentagon, and then find the exterior angle of the hexagon, and then we can add them together. Then we can find the angle ABC, which is the exterior of both of them put together. So we're going to do first find the exterior angle of the pentagon. So that's 360 divided by 5, and that gives us 72 degrees. So that means this angle here is 72 degrees. That isn't the whole angle, because we still need the other section. So now let's find the other section, which is the exterior angle from the hexagon. So we're going to do 360 divided by 6, because there's 6 sides in a hexagon, and that ends up with 60 degrees. So that means this angle is 60 degrees. So that means angle ABC is equal to the 72 degree angle plus the 60 degree angle, which is equal to 132 degrees. Okay, so what you have to do is find the exterior angle of both, add them together, and you end up with the combined angle ABC. So make sure you're actually looking at a picture. What are you looking for? This one is showing you that I want the exterior angle. Okay, and that's it.